Hi, welcome to my channel. As a Chinese citizen, today I want to show my great love to my great leader Xi. So I want to make Xi statue keycap to show my respect to him. Here we go. Firstly, I will be making the base of the keycap.
20 minutes later.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置。主演钱德勒、罗恩、吴波斯尼、瑞秋、莫妮卡。
今天看起墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的回2岁了，转个当朝。今天看起墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的回2岁了，转个当朝。
If you feel my love, can you hear my thoughts? Can you feel everything? And if you hear my thoughts, can you feel my soul? Can you sing?
今天看起墙上写着